Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today I'm going to let you in on an Italian New Year's tradition, lentil soup. Here we go. Medium heat on the stovetop, and just coat my Dutch oven here with a little bit of olive oil. Just going to get that hot, and then I got what I got over here, Ben. How about that? A little pork sausage, hot and sweet, from our good friends over at Huntington Meats. I got a little extra sausage here because I think it's nice. It really fills in the soup. I like when it's full. I hate when you're searching for some other things, like a little carrot or a mushroom. You know, you just get a nice abundance of things. And I like the mix. I like the hot because it gives it a lot of flavor, it gives it a little spice, but I also like the sweet. It's got the cheese and parsley in there. This is where you're gonna get so much flavor in that soup coming from.
Now sausage usually isn't in a lentil soup, is it?
I mean, there are sausages, you know, people do make it with that, but it's not very often. You know, most people are making a vegetarian type lentil soup with the carrots, the onions, and we're gonna have that too, and just your lentils, but we gotta kick it up here a little bit.
Is this an Italian thing though, or is this a Gary thing?
Oh, this is an Italian thing, and I'm Italian, so it's an Italian thing. If you don't cook it all the way through, don't worry about it. It's gonna continue to cook once it's boiling and simmering for 30-35 minutes with all of the other ingredients. But you wanna get it nice and crumbled here. You know what's funny about this soup? My mom used to make this all the time, but she wasn't she wasn't into cooking, so it was just basically water, lentils, and seasonings. And it just looked like mud on the stovetop. And my brother, when she would make it, he never wanted to eat anything she was making. It was always like, let me get some of that Chef Boyardee or some cereal. That's what he was looking to do. And my mom had to trick him when he liked Ninja Turtles. She's like, Ryan, I got turtle soup tonight. He ate the whole bowl.
That's kind of messed up that he loved the Ninja Turtles, but he wanted to eat turtle soup.
He said, yeah, this is what Ninja Turtles eat. It's like swamp soup. Like the,
got it.
So he had that going on.
Clever, clever. And that was when he was like, what, 15, 16?
Yeah, I mean, we're still doing it with him today. Now I'm gonna take this out, Ben. Got this slotted spoon here, because I wanna leave most of the oil and whatnot in there. So you see here, we got that left in there. There's a little crumbles in there, don't worry about it. We got a little mirepoix, celery, onion, and carrot, as I always tell you. And you're gonna have your stovetop on medium still. I'm gonna go about 5 minutes with this. This is gonna be delicious. One of those dishes in the wintertime, you put it on, it's cold out, 10 degrees, a little snow, heartwarming.
Now why are we doing this as a New Year's dish, Gary?
Well, it's funny because the Italians, at least the ones in Queens, New York, they believe that this brings you prosperity, wealth, and I gotta tell you, everybody I knew that ate lentil soup on New Year's Eve, none of them have any of that. So something went seriously wrong. Anyway, we're salt and peppering, because I like to salt and pepper everything. There you go, whoop, whoop, whoop. So I got some mushrooms here, cremini, and some white mushrooms. Let's give those a little salt and pepper. And listen, when you're seasoning this, I always tell you, add a little at a time, because you can always add, but you can't take out, as we always talk about. Then I got about 4 cloves of garlic, minced. A little diced tomato with the juice. It's gonna give a nice little flavor. It's gonna really bring everything together. Maybe add a little salt to that. There's the tinge. A little pepper. Ben, I got some lentils.
Oh, really? For a lentil soup?
For the lentil soup. Rinse them. Make sure you rinse them. Incorporate that for like a minute or two. All right, sausage is going back in. Yeah. I mean, come on. I would eat that with just a spoon. You don't even need the broth. Beef broth is going in. Some people use chicken broth. Just as delicious. I prefer the beef. I like the flavor. Can't go wrong. And I got another backup. Here comes the other tanker. And listen, you will need some more liquid at some point because the lentils in there, it'll start to get a little bit thicker. You just add a little more broth or a little bit of water. No big deal. We got a little bouillon. Gives it a little bit of richer flavor. You want to add it now, so that way when it boils, it dissolves really nice.
What exactly is bouillon?
No idea. I just like to throw things in there that I have no idea what it is.
Yeah.
It just gives it a little bit more flavor.
Yeah, you just
a little more robust.
Throw things in that just sound fun to say.
Yeah, bouillon. Then I got a little crushed red pepper because I like to give a little spice. Dried oregano. Boom. Actually, not an unhealthy little dish here.
We've made worse.
Yeah, exactly. I know it's got the sausage and, you know, it's not exactly great for the arteries and the overall blood pressure and cholesterol. I get it. But, you know, you have a bowl of this and not that bad.
I agree.
Like you said, we've had worse. I forgot I got a couple bay leaves.
Your favorite, because what do they do?
These do absolutely nothing. Bay leaves do nothing. Somebody tell me what bay leaves do. They do absolutely nothing. But they're going in because we like them. You want to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for about 35 minutes or until your lentils are nice and tender. When you're simmering it, you want to make sure you cover it. You probably put the lid on about halfway because you want to keep the moisture in there. You don't want to let it evaporate because that's going to make sure that the lentils continue to cook evenly, and it's also not going to let all of that moisture escape. And then I think what you should do is, like I do, you eat a little bit as you go. That's the key, right? So like if you make this on a Sunday, you eat a little bit as you go. You go watch something on TV, maybe you rendezvous with your wife. That's beautiful. Lentil soup is a heartwarming dish that you can make on any winter's night. It's hearty, it's delicious, and if you're Italian, you know it's a tradition on New Year's Eve. It's said to bring you luck, prosperity, and wealth. And if that doesn't happen for you, at least you had a great dish. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit and Happy New Year. There was a clip today of Gordon Ramsay. I have to show it to you. I might even repost it and say this is what Ben feels about me. So Gordon Ramsay's on the kitchen phone and he's like yelling at somebody through the phone, and there's a waiter or a busboy in a tuxedo who's like down below getting dishes, or he's on the floor doing something, and Gordon Ramsay, he's bald. Gordon Ramsay slaps his bald head. He goes, for sake, would you get back to the dining room? And then he goes right back on the phone. Dude, that guy is a Anyway, I needed a break in the action. My brain is mumbo jumbo right now.